welcome. I am Miss Amy and today I am going to be teaching you some vocabulary on weather patterns. Can you say that with me, boys and girls? Weather patterns. Are you excited to be here? Oh, I am so happy to see you. I'm excited to have you here with me. So, let's get started. Are you ready? Weather. What is weather? Are you wondering that? Now I'm going to help you. Weather is the state of the atmosphere. Okay? Now it is how the atmosphere is at a specific time and place. Weather can change at any time. Sometimes the place is rainy. It has a lot of rain. The rain is pouring and you have to get your umbrella and you're trying to go to work and your pants is getting wet and the rain is soaking your skin. That weather is called a rainy weather. And then sometimes the place is bright and nice and you want to go to the park and you want to go to the beach and you see Mr. Sun is bright and he's high up in the sky. That kind of weather is the sunny weather. And then we have another type of weather. Can you hear it? Oh, the wind is blowing and it's blowing me away. It's blowing my umbrella away. That is the windy weather. Have you ever been in the windy weather where the breeze is blowing and the trees are going like this? They're going from one side to the next and you're trying to go outside and there you go. Your umbrella just flew away. That is the windy weather. When the breeze is blowing heavy, that is called the windy weather. And then there are other times you look outside your window. You look outside your window and the place is very dark and the clouds look dark and black. That is the cloudy weather. That weather pattern is cloudy. It's called cloudy. So we have so far, we're talking about when the rain is falling. That weather pattern is the rainy weather. Then we have when the sun is shining. That is the sunny weather. And then when the breeze is blowing us away, that is the windy weather. Now this weather pattern, I am shivering, it's so cold. This weather pattern is the snowy weather. It is called the snowy weather. When the place is very cold and the snow, you have these white things falling from the sky. That is the snowy weather. Now sometimes, because of these weather patterns that are around me, we have things that happen. For example, tornadoes. Let me see all those who ever heard the word tornado before. Now tornado is a very big wind that comes in a circle. Now take a look. Take a look. You see how it is? And it is very dangerous. It picks up everything that is in its path and throw it away. That's how dangerous it is. Now tornadoes, we don't get tornadoes in Guyana, but they are in different countries. Another thing that happens in different countries is a volcano. Now take a look at this volcano. Can you say the word with me? Volcano. Let us spell volcano. V-O-L-C-A-N-O. Volcano. Now a volcano is like a mountain and it has a open there in the Earth's surface, and then at the bottom of it you have these thick liquid, and it's very, very hot. It's called lava. So this volcano, when it erupts, you have lava spilling all over the place, and it's so hot. So when a volcano happens, you need to run as fast as you can, far away from it, because it is so hot. It can harm you, it can hurt you, it can burn you. So volcanoes are very dangerous. The next thing we have, sometimes the rain is falling so much, and it's falling and it's falling, and then you've noticed, what is happening? The water is rising. Look, it's rising up. What is that? That is a flood. Sometimes when the rain is falling so much, we have floods. Can you say that word? Flood. F-L-O-O-D. That is flood. Now, flood happens when the water is not moving, it's not going anywhere, and all the water is in one place. All right? Now, the breeze is blowing, it is howling. Can you hear that sound? You hear how the breeze is moving? Now, sometimes the place is so windy and the breeze is blowing and it's getting stronger, and I'm trying to say, but the breeze is blowing me away. That is called a hurricane. What is that called, children? A hurricane. Let us spell hurricane. Ready? H-U-R-R-I-C-A-N-E. Hurricane. Hurricane is strong winds or strong breeze that can cause damages to us and our environment. That is a hurricane. Now listen to this one. This is a, can you pronounce this word? It's a tsunami. A tsunami. Can you say that with me? Tsunami. So the letter T is silent in this word. So you don't hear that sound. It's pronounced as tsunami. Now a tsunami is when you have huge waves overshadowing houses and buildings and so on. So when the waves are coming, it's very huge. It can cover a house, it can cover a building. That is a tsunami. Now a tsunami is very dangerous because it can cause you to drown. So tsunami are very dangerous. Next we have drought. Drought comes when there's too much sun. When Mr. Sun is up all the time and there is no rain, we have drought. Now if you look here carefully, you will notice that the ground is very dry. Look at this tree. There are no leaves on the tree. So this is what a drought looks like. There is no water or a little bit of water. There is no rain. The ground is very dry. The trees are barely surviving. This is drought. Now look at the word drought here. Can you spell drought? Let us go. We will all spell together. D-R-O-U-G-H-T. Drought. Can you pronounce that? Drought. Let's go again. Drought. Drought is when there is little or no rainfall or water around. Oh, I'm smelling something burning. Can you smell something burning? I'm smelling something burning. Oh, look, the forest is on fire. That is a bush fire. Bush fire. Now, a bush fire can happen when there is lightning, when the lightning strike and the place is very dry and the trees are dry, it causes a fire. Or sometimes when we go camping and we forgot one of the wood that we had the campfire with and it's left lighting, that can also cause a bush fire. So we need to be careful. And because the sunny weather has caused the place to be so dry, it is easy for the fire to spread all over. Now that there is a bush fire. Then sometimes we feel the ground is shaking. I feel like I'm falling. It's so shaky. Oh, now that is an earthquake. When earthquake happens, we feel all around us it's moving. You feel it shaking. You feel like you're shaking. Your bed might be shaking with you. You might be feeling it shaking. The vase might fall over on the table. The table might be shaking. The house is shaking. You can feel your house shaking. When you look on the road, you can see a big split across the road. It's splitting open. That is an earthquake. Now, earthquakes can be very, very dangerous. We have many earthquakes around the world. Sometimes it happens even in Guyana. Now, earthquakes, whenever an earthquake is happening and you are there, here's what to do. Find a very nice table. It looks very strong, and you go under the table and you hide under there. Do not get up to go look around, okay? Now, you might want to go run outside, but when you are going outside, something can fall on you. So the best thing to do is to go under a very strong table and stay there. Hold on very tightly. So when you hear the earthquake, the first thing you do is that you drop, go under the table and hold on. You hold on, okay? So that there is another thing that happened according to the weather patterns. Earthquake. Can you spell earthquake? E-A-R-T-H-Q-U-A-K-E. Earthquake. Let us say that again, boys and girls. Earthquake. Again, one more time. Earthquake. So we have earthquake when the earth is shaking. We have bush fires when we can see the fires burning the trees and the forest. We have drought, and drought is when there is no water anywhere. Then we have tsunami. A tsunami is when the water in the river or the ocean, it raises really high and it can cover buildings and houses and trees and so on. Then we have hurricane. All of these here that you see, all of these are associated with weather. Hurricane is a very strong breeze. Sometimes we get floods, and sometimes we see a volcano erupts. And volcanoes, when they erupt, we need to be very far away. Sometimes in places they are tornadoes. All of these here are associated with weather. And the type of weather patterns we have are snowy, when the snow is falling, when the clouds are out and they're very dark, that is the cloudy weather. And then When we have the winds blowing, that is the windy weather. And then when Mr. Sun is out and he dries up all the rain, that is the sunny weather. These are the weather patterns. So until next time, boys and girls, this is Miss Amy. See you!